Oh, you prick. I wonder if my eye's on camera. Check my eye out. Service overdue. I know, I'm on my way and I'm late. Oh bump, oh bump, oh bump. Yeah, pissed down this morning. Baz tried to get both the bikes in the van. Couldn't get them in. Oh bump, oh bump. Thank you. Oh, on that grid there. Yeah, he couldn't get the bikes in. I got to his, realised he couldn't get the bikes in, forgot my key, had to go back home, get my key, get changed, and here I am. Baz set off 25 minutes ago. What time is it? 25 past 8. He set off at 5 to 10 to 8, and we've got to be there in 5 minutes, and it's like 30 minutes away. So I'm going to somehow time travel here now. Oh, come on. Oh, bump. Time for queuing up there, boy. So the nice little casual ride that it was going to be to get these bikes serviced, because they're both servicing at 8:30 this morning, it's going to turn out to be a rush and a bit of a bloody nightmare. Hopefully BMW won't give me too much shit about being late, because they're great at Falmouth, BMW. They always look after me. Talking about cyclists, on the way here before, I was going the other way with these cars. There's about 10 cars. We all struggled to get past a cyclist on those bends around there. And then we got to these lights, we all had to stop. And the cyclist went past everyone, went through a red light, and then when he got here, we all had to queue up behind him again. The absolute knob. I gave him a bit of a C word when I went past him. Come on. You shouldn't have went through there, knobhead. And Mark said it's dry when we get out of Hale, or get out of St Ives. I think he's nearly there now. Oh, my eye. If it's shown before, it's too hard to explain what happened. Basically, I got hit right in the eyeball with a strimmer. Look at this oil there! Or diesel, whatever she is. The dirty... Yeah, I got hit right in the eyeball yesterday, and it wasn't good. If I go to hospital, it's going to look like I'm being abused at home. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. I'm not queuing up in this, I tell you. Octopus Energy. Have you heard those adverts for Octopus Energy, where the customers ring in and say, "Oh, Octopus Energy, you're the best energy company in the world. I don't know what to do without you. I've got no money and I couldn't afford to pay the bills, but you didn't turn me lecky off. You're absolutely brilliant." Oh, it's cold, boss.
I can't seem to find a good connection.
Alright, okay. Don't call him then. Oh, that's not the police, is it? Flip! I'm gonna smoke him anyway. Go on, go on. Oh, is anything coming? Is anything coming? The police is having a go. Can't really overtake him at 60, can I? Baz, are you there?
Okay.
Yeah, are you there? Baz? Oh, he needs a new phone. His phone's absolutely knackered. Every single time I call him, he loses signal. Baz?
Hey.
Are you there yet? Again. That bloody Samsung rubbish. God, he's sick of them. Let's have a look at this. I'm not waiting to nail this. Nothing here to say that I can't go. Let's go. Thank you very much. Police Ossifer. Look at the difference in the weather here now. It's cracking the flags. It was pissing down at home. Alright, thank you. Cheers. Knob. Yeah, it's red hot here. Yeah, red hot. Oh, answer this. Baz?
Check.
Can you hear me?
Check.
Can you hear me? Hello? Oh, come on. I'm actually quite sorry if anyone got offended by me saying Samsung rubbish, because people are quite attached to the phone, aren't they? And they're quite loyal to the brand. I don't care either way what phone you got, as long as it's not a Samsung. Oh, come on. I need to be at service. Don't cross Doris. Oh, it's not Doris, it's Albert. Who's that? It's me. I reckon all bikers do that. When they go past the shop window, they look in the window and go, yeah, I'm cool. But you're not cool. No one else thinks you're cool apart from you. Even other bikers don't think you're cool. Come on. Nearly here. Alright, get out of the way. Why are you staying to the right, you knob? There it is. I can see it. I'm coming in as fast as I can. Where shall I put it? Where shall I put it? I'll leave it here. In fact, no, I won't leave it here because the car can't get past. I'll leave it. Right, see you in a minute. See how late I am. You won't do it? I'm rushing as fast as I can. I'm running. Fell down these stairs last year. I think I'm going to get that. 36 grand. See if you can pay £5 a week for it. Alright, see you in a bit. Just want to confirm something. Have you seen where the red dot's placed there? Let's check the back. Can't see it. Hey, it's not even got one. Oh yeah, it has. Let's just double check this. Oh, look at that, where the red dot is. Exactly there on the valve. £41 range, that should get me home. I might stop. Let's see if we can catch up to Baz. Service was £231, which is pretty good. I think Mark's was 250 something. But that's to be expected, isn't it? Is that a job centre? Yeah, it is. Oh, and also we've got a bit of inside news here, which was expected anyway, but BMW are going to the Motogp in 2027 and Toprak is going to be the main rider. That's going to be something to look forward to. Toprak in the Motogp. I think it's going to be him and Acosta that are going to be battling in 2027. It's going to be mint. That's inside news that maybe shouldn't have said. But it's not a secret, is it? Also, the guy that serviced the bike done like a customer video thing. He's quite pleased with the tyres. I'll see if I can put a little shot of it on, or incorporate it into this video, which is going to be a short video, but at least it's a video, isn't it?
This is your bike's in for a service, but this is a see it now video to speak about the conditions of your motorcycle. We'll start at the back. I've got to say, I really like your number plate. But coming to the important things, rear wheel, no signs of bite or wheel bearing noises, so shoes are good, no play or anything like that. The tires wearing down nice and equally. I can see you don't really like your chicken strips, so I really like that. Very nice. That shows how to ride a bike, sir. Yeah, I like that. Good stuff. Good stuff. That's nice.
He's not going to beat me no matter what, unless I need to stop for petrol. There he is. Look at him holding the traffic up the knob. Oh, he's one of them, is he? Oh, and I must thank the customer service at bloody BMW. Got me in at short notice. Perfect service. Couldn't have asked for more. One of them just told me that the APR's 3.9 for the next few months, so I might be swapping the bike, and I'm thinking about getting a red double R. I just like the look of it in red. I'm not waiting behind you, Mark. You're making me ache. Muppet. You muppet. The shit thing is now, it's a nice day and we've got to go home, get changed and go to bloody work on a new job. On a day like today, if he didn't bring his bike in that van, we could have went on a detour home and then gone to work. Look at him right on my arse. He's going to get knocked out in a minute. Get one of these black eyes that I've got. That convertible Mini. Alright, what's on it? Oh, that might be Matthew at work. Might be able to get Matt on VFR Matt on camera there. He'll bloody love it. Hello Matthew! Oh crap, my Cardo's not even turned on. I can't turn it on with these bloody... Oh, I done it. Hello?
Alright.
Alright. My Cardo wasn't even turned on. I just turned it on then as you called.
What have you done to your eye?
It's hard to explain, but it was a strimmer. I was strimming yesterday and the shoulder strap was on the strimmer, so I put the strimmer over my shoulder, turned round, and then the weight of the front, the weight of the back was heavier than the front because it had a big like 54-volt battery on it.
Yeah.
And it swung down, and as I turned my head, the thing was a millimetre away from my eye. I had no time to react. Oh, bump. And it just twatted me right on the eyeball. I thought I was going to be blind, seriously. It went right on my eye. Nothing else, just my eyeball.
Okay, it looks really bad.
Yeah, it is bad. And my finger's not too bad.
You got a bad eye, a bad finger.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm knackered.
Well, that's it though. They say bad things come in threes. Like, my dog died, I got cancer, and I'm thinking, what's next? You know what I mean?
There's only one thing to happen to you next, and that's you get full-blown turbo AIDS. I hope that's not my third one. We're on video here, so we want to be careful what we're saying.
Oh, right.
Oh, why have you gone quiet and all serious now? Anyway, yeah, I've been for a service. 231 quid it was, which wasn't bad really. It's oil and filter and air filter change.
Right.
So yeah, it was okay.
You missed out on a drag racing on Saturday.
Oh, how did Jacob do in it?
Yeah, he went up, I can't remember the time he got. It was 14 seconds something, but he hit 107 mile an hour, so it's not too bad for a little Fiesta ST.
Was he pleased with it? What was he racing against?
Yeah.
What did he go against?
Well, believe it or not, he was against a Mini. Is it the GP 300, the really rare one?
The one with all the big wings on it and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Jacob got him on the start, but then halfway down he got past Jacob, like, so...
Yeah, they're pretty quick, those Mini GPs.
Some nice bikes there as well. Thinking of going up, but you have to have all-in-one levers, don't you?
Yeah, or levers that zip together.
I wasn't bothered though, because I made a tit myself anyway.
You'd have binned it at the start.
Right in front of Steph and Jacob.
Yeah. Right. Oh. Right. I've got a phone call coming in. It might be Mark.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. I'll speak to you later.
Anyway.
See you in a bit.
Yeah.
Right.
In a bit. Bye. Bye.
Hello.
Yeah.
Baz?
Yeah, mate.
Yeah.
You're going to get back before me.
Yeah.
And I've got to go and buy a hand out and vest and all that shit. So would you help Ian on your way to your house? You know, drop your bike off at our house.
Yeah.
And then just call so that Ian's Hughes' house.
Yeah. Oh, right, yeah, he wants a lift with something.
Yeah, and then I'll pick the stuff up and then pick you up.
Right, okay, yeah. Alright, you knob. Yeah, okay. Right, it's gone. Bloody Samsungs. I see he got out of that one, didn't he? Ian needs a lift, lifting something basically, and he wants me to bloody do it, you know what I mean? The camera even on, I'm talking to myself. Oh, it's on. That's good, it's just been one battery. It'll probably go though before we get home. I might release this video in the week. I can't have this as a normal video, maybe, depending on how long it is. I need to fill the time though, don't I? I need to fill those Fridays. But the weather's getting better, so we should be getting out a lot more. Oh, Mark was looking at a GS 850, is it? Trophy or something. He's going to be test riding it in a few weeks. Oh, I could do for McDonald's as well, actually. Oh, we could get a McDonald's on the way to that job. That job's over there. Over there somewhere on the beach. And McDonald's is here somewhere behind those trees. Yeah, gotta get McDonald's for lunch. Yeah, so what does everyone think? Do you think I should get a red double R? I really like them. I like the look of them. But could I have a sports bike again? I don't know. Oh, I'll have to think about it. Do you think I should? It's a perfect opportunity to comment now, actually. Yes or no. That's all you have to put, yes or no. And I'll tally up the numbers. And then I'll go with what the majority vote is. 100% I'll go with what everyone votes for. Can't really complain at 3.9%. I think I'm on 7.9% at the moment. I can just see me with a red double R. I can just see it. But if you vote no, then I won't get one. And if you vote yes, then I 100% will. I just need that confirmation. I need reassurance. A red double R would be mint on these, Ben. Ta-da! The battery went. I don't know when the battery went. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Oh, and thanks to the members. There they are. There's the members. There, members. Yeah, thank you. I'll see you next time.